Alright guys, we're over at the Homie Christian's house in some fun stuff handled for him. They just bought this house and had something of a plumbing disaster into the sink here. He had an old funky water filter system and that's all been yanked out. We got our new supply line and needle valve for the fridge. New fridge is coming. And then this sink. Gee, I wonder why it wasn't draining. Funky old galvanized nipple and cast iron. At least this one's ABS and it's better. But gonna pull all of them out. Brass nipples into the wall. Trap adapters. Yep, gonna be good. Gotta get them all done in brass and copper. Proper copper. So it'll be trouble free for life. So I'm gonna get this nipple off of here and clean all the junk out of the line, and then alright, not too shabby, I'd say. I'm in there. Got a new waist arm in there. Everything looking pretty, shiny, fresh, new, beautiful. Done tested the middle one already. We're getting the head water test here. I think that should be good. I wish I would have taken a video how long it took to drain before, because it was horrendous. Oh, alright, it's good we did that. That's how you find the leaks for real. I don't think I put anything other than a finger tighten on all these, so tighten those up. That shouldn't be a problem, and it'll be good. Alright, so I'm going to do more of the same in here. Replace these plastic traps with some nice brass chromies. And, ooh, what happened there? That's kind of a funky angle. I like it being up. Anyways, look at this. This is kind of cute. Dishwasher connector. Not hardly code. So, get that fixed up. We'll be doing copper male adapter, 1.5 little 1.5 pipe stub, and then trap adapter, and then right on into the trap. So, and if I'm good, I won't even need to use the L piece. If I'm good, another one just like it in here. Exactly the same. This guy was handy. Alright, so no chromies in there. Check out the handle. Here in the kitchen. It's all done and proven now. No more leaks. We got our assemblies all assembled. And we got our 6-inch brass nipples in each of those. All brass P-traps. I had to pull the old stop, the old compression stop there with my nice new compression sleeve puller. Works great. Pulled off the compression olive and or ferrule or whatever you want to call it. Pulled that off of there and soldered a 1/2-inch male adapter on for this multi-outlet stop. So we got one going to the faucet, the 1/2-inch connection going to the faucet, and the 3/8 going to the fridge for drinking water and ice maker and such. And that will be going right there tomorrow, I think. I got our 3/8 by 1/4 compression union there, and that's pretty much it. And these little beauties, trap adapters, are set you back a ways now. 27 bucks a piece, if you like that. So expensive, but what are you gonna do? Not plumb? Alright guys, and then we will be able to look at that air conditioner next year pretty soon. I Pretty sure they want to do that. What do we got here? Oh, XE 1200. Excuse me. It's a 12-seer train. There's the old water filter system pulled out. Don't know what they're gonna do with it, but so I'll get back to work and stop slack drawing here.